Good morning, it's Monday. I'm having a walk around the city in Dunedin. Now after last night's walk up the steepest street in Dunedin, I'm not going to do that today. But this street here looks very, very steep, so I'm not going up there. I'm going to head down that way. But yes, beautiful day in Dunedin, about 18 degrees. Yeah, really nice, very quiet. Anyway, join me for a bit of a walking tour of Dunedin. It's my kind of place. The disco balls in the window. Very cool. Anyway, I had an amazing sleep after tackling the steepest street in the world in Dunedin. If you haven't seen the video, check it out on my channel. Oh my goodness, it was so difficult. So I'm just heading for a casual stroll. I was a bit actually worried that this morning my legs would be really, really sore, but they're not. So maybe I'm as fit as what I thought I was going to be. So, but they're not sore, so maybe I'm okay. I'm not, I thought I was really unfit, but maybe I'm not. And look at this place here, it's not open, but this Mexican place looks amazing. Yeah, over here is the Viato Singers. So yeah, a lovely Mexican restaurant here. There's the menu. Pause and have a look at that. Yeah, from 12 noon they're open every day till 9 p.m. So yeah, this is my first time having a walk in Dunedin by myself. My girlfriend Kalina is working today from home, so she dropped me in the city. Oh, I have to say, I must post a picture there. That was my breakfast this morning. Kalina, my girlfriend Kalina, I've known since the 90s, and she is an amazing cook, incredible, and she always looks after me when I'm in anywhere. And she moved to Dunedin about 4 or 5 years ago, and this is my first time visiting her, which is amazing. So I am loving Dunedin, loving the whole vibe. It's very so chilled, which I like, very chilled. But yeah, amazing breakfast this morning, as you can see from the photo. Really, really nice. Chemist in here. So yeah, it's such a beautiful day. I'm so lucky. I think it's gonna rain today. Anyway, let's keep walking. Alright, so apparently this area here is like the sort of restaurants and clubs and stuff. I came here the other night, we went there for dinner. So we've come up here and show you the Dunedin Public Art Gallery, which is in here, and I might just have a look, so let's go in. Beautiful pieces here. Some beautiful stuff in the gift shop. I love that. Every child is an artist, so kids come in here and they can draw, they can paint, and they put their pictures on here. Amazing. Look at this. Oh, I can't film here. Right, unfortunately I couldn't film in the art gallery, so we've come outside and we're going to have a bit of a walk to the garden in the centre bit of Dunedin. Yeah, it's a gorgeous day, absolutely stunning, and just going to head over here where I was last night. Actually the other night for dinner I was here, which was really nice. I'll show you where we ate. This gorgeous tapas restaurant, which I loved. I'll just show you, I'll just swing around here. You can see, yeah. Just come from down there, look at where the art gallery is, over there. Yeah. So let's swing by over here. See what's happening. Any cars coming? We should cross the crossing, I think. So that's the Dunedin City Council in there, and the library, and the visitor centre. We'll come over here. Right, so here is the bit of a nightlife. There's a social club there, an Irish tavern, Vault 21, and over here we're going to head over to the Regent Theatre. It's not open at the moment, but this is the theatre in Dunedin, so whenever they get, I guess, concerts and shows and things, so on at the Regent Theatre, which is here. So this is the vault, their design. Yeah, this is the Regent Theatre, so I think there's some of the acts coming here this year. Circus, Fast Love, a tribute to George Michael. He's amazing apparently. Taylor Swift tribute show, Bluey, Michael Jackson, ABBA. Yeah, all at the Regent Theatre. So let's just continue on down here. Over here, you can see with the sun, there is a craft and beer kitchen, gelato, more restaurants, brew bar. Here's a burger place, Velvet Burger, Becker's Wine Bar and Restaurant. Pizza, Biggie's Pizza. So this is Biggie's Pizza. This is Guild. More cafes over here. And we came to this place the other night, which was wonderful. Can't really see inside, but this is Graze and Glow. See in here? Yeah, that's what I see in there. That's Graze and Glow. Really great tapas bar. Basically the whole menu is like $9 for tapas and cocktails. So it was fantastic. Really, really great food, really, really busy. Great atmosphere, yeah. And I might actually come over here because this is where the Scottish shop is. So we should really go over there and have a look at the Scottish shop, because Dunedin is very, years ago apparently the Scottish people came here, and it's a really popular place for Scottish people. So yeah, let's go and have a look at the Scottish shop. So this is the Scottish shop. As you can see, there's heaps of Scottish stuff in the window. Heaps of tartan. Let's go and have a look. Oof, this is the local gay bar. Really great bar and restaurant, great cocktails. So let's head down this way to the main street. That's Woolworths down there. Art exhibition here in Dunedin. I love this, look at that. Stunning artwork. The Dunedin Public Library.